Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, October 27, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today? I see you got here early.
Good morning, David. I am good, thanks. Just needed my coffee fix, and you? You look ready for the day?
I am fine, but I am a bit tired from the weekend. Lots of family time. Coffee will wake me up.
Family time is nice, it recharges you. Mine was quiet. Read a book and relaxed.
Sounds perfect. Hey, did you catch the news this week? That story about John Bolton.
Yes, I did. He got indicted by a federal grand jury in Maryland. It's all over the news.
Yeah, from what I read on CNN, it's about mishandling classified information. Crazy for a former national security advisor.
True. The reports say he stored top secret documents at home and shared notes with family. Serious charges.
18 counts, they say. He pleaded not guilty. But it's a big deal in politics.
It is. As a project manager, I think about rules and accountability. Even big leaders must follow them.
Exactly. In sales, we deal with trust every day. If a leader breaks rules, it shakes everything.
Right. It sparks debates on ethics. People wonder if it's fair or political.
Could be both. But it affects how we see government. Makes you think twice about news.
Yes, I follow politics a bit. It impacts business too. Stable politics means stable markets.
Spot on. Our sales depend on that. No one buys if the world feels unstable.
Good point. Anyway, this coffee is strong today. Just what I need for meetings.
Me too. Got a big call later. Hey, speaking of news, what about that tech story? The data center boom.
Oh, yes. I saw it in the New York Times. They talk about data centers as a sign of the tech market's health.
And the risk of an AI bubble. Wall Street is watching closely. So much investment in AI.
It's controversial. These centers use huge amounts of electricity. Prices are rising fast.
Tell me about it. From the article, data centers could take up to 12% of U.S. electricity by 2030.
That's a lot. As project manager, I worry about costs. Our tech tools run on these systems.
In sales, we use cloud services daily. If there's a bubble, it hits our budget.
True. The boom drives growth, but the power demand is a problem. States see higher bills.
Yeah, people complain. Electricity up 35% since 2022 in some places.
It's becoming a political issue too. Lawmakers discuss how to handle it.
Our office lights and computers add to it. Small, but imagine big centers.
Exactly. We need smart planning. Balance tech progress with real costs.
Hope it doesn't burst like the dot-com bubble. That was bad for business.
Me too. Projects would suffer delays and higher fees.
Let's not think doom. Tech helps our jobs, emails and reports faster.
You're right. Positive side. Now, on a fun note, did you see the entertainment news?
The streaming price hikes? Yeah, USA Today covered it. Up to $5 more per month.
Due to rising content costs? Subscribers are frustrated. It's a hot topic.
I know. I love Netflix after work. Now it costs more. Ouch.
Same here. As a society, we rely on streaming for relaxation. Affordability matters.
People work hard in offices like ours. They need cheap entertainment.
Yes, the article says it's broader. Digital fun gets pricier for everyone.
Families feel it most. Kids watch shows, budget's tight.
True, maybe more free options or ads. But quality content costs money to make.
Balance is key. Like in sales, value for price.
Good analogy. In projects, we manage budgets too. Same idea.
Hey, remember last week's team movie night? Streaming helped.
Fun time. But now with hikes, we plan carefully.
Yeah, office perks like free coffee help more.
Huh, true. Small wins. What do you stream most?
Action movies, quick and exciting. You?
Documentaries? Learn something new. Relaxes my mind.
Cool. We should share recommendations.
Sure, builds team spirit.
Back to Bolton. They raided his home in August. FBI stuff.
Yes, from the news, he turned himself in. Pleaded not guilty.
Historic. Third critic of the president charged lately.
It raises questions. Is it justice or something else?
In office talk, people debate it. Keeps things interesting.
but focus on work. Politics aside, we have tasks.
True. Data centers again. NYT says capacity is a barometer for AI.
Health of tech and bubble risk? Investors pour billions.
Alphabet, Amazon. Others announce 800 billion in new centers.
Wow, but electricity is the weak point. Nuclear takes time.
Gas plants too. Our power bills might rise.
In projects I track tech trends. This one is big.
Sales side, AI helps leads. But costs worry me.
Understand, society feels the strain. Higher energy prices.
Everyday people pay more, like our coffee runs.
Lighten up, streaming hikes add to it. $5 seems small, but monthly it adds up. For a year, $60.
Ouch, that's a dinner out or office lunch.
Yes, people might cancel subs. Go to libraries or free TV.
Or share accounts, but rules against that.
Ethics again, like Bolton's story.
Connections everywhere, world is linked.
Deep thought, coffee time flies.
Yeah, another sip, perfect.
Ready for your calls?
As ready as ever, you for meetings?
Yes, structured agenda.
Good luck, nail those projects.
Thanks, you closed those deals.
Will do. See more news tomorrow?
Probably, always something.
Keeps conversation going, like us.
Nice, well, time to start.
See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, David, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.